Hello and welcome to How to Build Software Without Coding. I'm Mr. Hankathon and I show you how to build software without coding. And in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to integrate the movie database with Create. The movie database is a database of millions of movies, TV shows for you to discover and explore, as you can see here. I'll be showing you how to integrate it with Create, one of the leading text to app builders on the market today. We will be building something like this basic search engine where you can search Batman, and you'll see the movie, description, release date, and the cast. Lots of really interesting use cases from this, and I'll be showing you how to integrate it with Create. So one of the first things you have to do is create an account, a developer account. So developer.themoviedatabase or themoviedb.org, and you want to create a developer account. Once you create a developer account, if I just log in, I am now logged in. What you want to do is to actually create an API key. So you want to create a new API key, and the way you create a new API key is just fill out this form. So I selected website and went through this, filled it out. It's free. Once you do that, you will create your API key. Oh, and so here's my information. Obviously, you can't see it right now, but you have your API read access token, your API key. So your API key is the one that you want to actually use, I believe. And we're going to create a new project in Create. I'm going to say all I want to do is scroll down and find the movie database. And what it is going to do is prompt me to use my API key, or prompt me to share my API key. So while this is loading, I'm going to go over, just grab my API key. So it's going to prompt me to share my API key here, and I hit save. This is still loading. Okay, it's finished now. What it's actually doing here is, if I go to secrets, it's saving my secrets here, so I can actually delete this, add a new secret. So if I added the wrong API key, I can actually create a new secret as long as I use that as the key. And I'm going to say Batman again, and you can see, very, very straightforward. Hopefully you be a lot more creative than I've been here and come up with really interesting use cases for this. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and happy hacking.